Enabling two-factor authentication on Skype adds an extra layer of security to your account. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Sign into Skype. Open the Skype application or website and log into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your profile or account settings. Look for the option labeled Account and Profile or Settings. Step 3. Find Security Settings. In the Account Settings menu, locate the Security section. This is where you will find options related to account security, including two-factor authentication. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Select the option to enable two-factor authentication. You may be prompted to enter your password again for verification. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed. Step 5. Set up authentication method. Choose your preferred method for receiving the authentication code, such as via SMS or an authentication app. Complete the setup by following the prompts to verify your chosen method. Once you have completed these steps, two-factor authentication will be active on your Skype account, providing enhanced security.